A bright, dazzling smile can transform a person's confidence and appearance. Unfortunately, not everyone is naturally blessed with one. That's why a team of top-notch dentists is pioneering a cutting-edge whitening technique, bringing brilliant smiles within everyone's reach.
The developments, as I pointed out already in Flemish, I started at the end of the 80s with dental lasers. I wrote for this also for colleagues and to give them support a syllabus in English with all laser applications, how to use the different kind of wavelengths, where they could find everything they needed in order also to use in a properly way their laser. And the end of the 90s, I got a phone call from the University of Vienna, whether it would be possible that I could come to Vienna University in order to explain the bleaching technique, smart bleach, I had developed at that time. So I went to Vienna and it was love at first sight. So Professor Moritz Andreas and I had immediately a very close connection, and we decided to start up also a European society for dental lasers. And in the beginning we called that ESOLA, European Society for Oral Laser Applications, which we founded for October in Vienna 1999. And then we started with congresses, conferences all around the world. We established an academy, a ESOLA Academy, where we give lectures and training for dentists all around the world in 3 modules, and at the end they become a master in laser dentistry. And then we had our smart bleach, but a council directive of European Commission caused some problems in September 2011, because in the directive is stated that the high concentrations of hydrogen peroxide that we use for dental bleaching is in Europe not allowed anymore. So we started with University of Ghent, University of Vienna to look for alternatives. Unfortunately, I happened to have a son, Jeroen, who studied nanotechnology. And when he was at MIT in Harvard, they developed a special nanoparticle which is universal. That means that nanoparticles need to be activated with very specific wavelengths of light, but they managed to produce a nanoparticle which is universal and can be activated with all kinds of light, from invisible light to all kinds of visible light. And this was the start from the next innovation, that we started a cooperation between Cambridge University. In the meantime, my son was moved from Harvard to Cambridge, where he also has a small company, CAMSES, where they produce nanoparticles. And that was a start for me to start with my experience from before, develop a new bleaching gel. And this ended in a product, what we call now NanoWhite QuantumBleach. And it is a composition, a bleach composition, from which we are sure that it's really safe to use in the mouth, but gives also effective results at only 6% of hydrogen peroxide.